You got a second?
Yeah, what's up?
Girl, I'm having such a rough week. I think like when I miss church on Sundays, I just cannot get myself together. And I hate the fact that I missed last Sunday. Were you here?
Yeah, I was here.
Do you have any notes, or maybe I can like FaceTime in the next time I have to miss church?
From the message, you want to hear it?
Yeah, I just can't get myself together whenever I miss.
Well,
I need to know what's going on.
You know you could just go to SoundCloud.
SoundCloud?
Yeah, it's like an app or a website that you go to.
So I can either download the app on my phone?
Yeah.
And if let's just say I'm on my laptop, what's the website I could use?
So it's soundcloud.com. You download it, and then every week the church uploads the message from Sunday to SoundCloud.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, can you show me how to do it on my phone?
Give me your phone. I'll
Yes,
show
I'm
you.
not really sure.
You get whatever phone or device that you're going to use. You go to the App Store and you're going to search for SoundCloud. You can use Apple or Android products. Once you find the SoundCloud app, you're going to click Get or Install. SoundCloud will have an orange square with a white cloud inside. Then you just have to wait for the app to download. Once it's downloaded, you simply click Open and SoundCloud will open. You can either create an account or you may already have one. You can sign in with Google or Facebook. That might actually be an easier option. Once you're signed in, look for the magnifying glass that will bring up the search bar. Then you're just going to look for Holy Hill Worship Center. Once you find the page, be sure to follow